Oh.
You look so handsome. And you...
I just created this 4K cinematic video from this image. You might think that's impossible. How can an old and destroyed photo be so lively and turned into this kind of cinematic video? All thanks to AI technology. Now, you can also bring life to your old memories and turn them into cinema. Because today I am going to share the full method with you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here's the photo I'm working with today. As you can see, it's pretty rough. Blurry, faded colors, low resolution, the whole 9 yards. This is exactly the kind of image that most people would think is beyond saving. But watch what happens when we use Uniconverter 17's image enhancer. Uniconverter is known as one of the best AI-powered media converter and enhancer tools. Recently, it launched the latest version, Uniconverter 17, making it more powerful. Now it integrates with AI models like Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2, Topaz, and more. I will put the link to the new version in the description. You can install it on your device directly from here. Okay, this is the Uniconverter 17 interface. You will find all the popular tools and features. To restore our old photo, we have to use the AI Image Enhance tool. This is the Image Enhancer interface. First of all, we have to upload the image. I am uploading my first image. You can see the preview here. Now, we have to select the AI model. You will find a bunch of options here. First, we have the Image Enhancement option. The Auto Enhancer option will enhance your low-quality image into a high-quality image with one click. Then we have the Face Enhancer option. After that, you can upscale the image to 8K resolution. Next, we have the Old Photo Restoration feature, where we can turn a torn photo into a clean image. We can use this feature to restore our image, and then the Old Photo Colorization and Color Correction feature to turn our image into a clean image. However, the best features are in the Advanced model. Here, you will find two options: Advanced Old Photo Repair and Clarity and Light Enhancement feature. I will use the Photo Repair tool. Inside Old Photo Repair, you will find two options: Clarity Boost and Photo Colorization feature. First, we need to use the Clarity Boost feature. After selecting the model, you can see the preview. However, I'm going to click on the Export All button to repair the photo without previewing the image. It will take around 30 seconds to complete the process. And here it is, the image is ready and saved on our device. Look at the quality of the image. This is just amazing. It's a high-quality image without any rustic texture and torn marks. It perfectly restores all the details of the character. It's like a high-quality image with a black and white filter. Okay, once the image is restored, we have to colorize it. To do that, I will just drag and drop the restored image into the Uniconverter Image Enhancer interface and then remove the previous image. Once the image is set, I will set the AI model. This time, I will select the Advanced Photo Colorization feature. Like before, you can preview the image. But, as I have faith, I am just clicking on the Export button. And here it is, the image is ready. And look at the quality. Can you imagine that just now, we turned this image into this image? It perfectly imagines the color tone of the character's skin texture, clothes, and background. And everything is top-notch. So, a torn and old photo is not an issue anymore. I love this result. And here you can see that Uniconverter actually used the Google Nano Banana Pro model to restore the image, and it did a great job. Now, in the same method, we will restore the other character. First, upload the image, select the Advanced Photo Repair AI model, and export the image. Once the image is ready, insert it into the Enhancer interface. Remove the previous image, select the Advanced Photo Colorize tool, and then export the image. And our image is ready. It's simple. However, if you find the process time-consuming, I have some good news for you. You can actually restore 20 images at a time with a single click. Yes, 20 images. You just have to upload the images, select the model, and hit the Export button, and Uniconverter and Nano Banana Pro will handle the rest. There is another tool available here called Batch Image Editor. You can edit or customize multiple images at a single time with this feature. Imagine I want to change the background of my images. So, after selecting the Batch Image Editor tool, I will upload both images and then select a background from the Background Image Remover or Replace option. You can also upload your custom background. Once the background is set, click on the Apply button. It will replace the background within a few seconds. Once done, you can export the images. And here you can see the background of both images has been replaced. You can also customize the size, ratio, and add text to the image in batch mode. So, we don't need to do it one by one and spend hours on such a minor task. Okay? Now imagine you have some issues in your image, like an unwanted object. Don't worry. Uniconverter has a solution. You just have to select this feature. Once you are on this page, upload the image. Now, here on the right side, you will find two options. First, the manual option. Here, you can select any object manually and remove it from the image. However, the second and auto removal is more interesting. The auto removal feature is powered by Nano Banana Pro. Here, you just have to select the object category, like text, people, or objects. For this image, I will select the text option. Now, I just have to click on the preview button to see the preview, and here it is. You can see the result. Nano Banana automatically recognizes the object and removes it. That's amazing. I love it. Okay, you will find some more image editing and conversion features. We will talk about them later in another video. Now, let's create the video. To create the video, I will use Google VO 3.1 on Google Flow. Okay, this is the Google Flow interface. I will create a new project. Once we are on the video generation page, we have to select the Ingredients to Video Generator tool, as I will use the images as the reference image. Just click here and then upload the images. Once the ingredient images are uploaded, we have to enter the prompt. Now, imagine I want to create a wedding video with these characters. So, I need a story. I will use Gemini to write the script and prompts. First, I am entering the prompt guide to generate the script. You will get the prompt in the description. You just have to mention the event name and the duration of the video. Once done, hit the enter button, and Gemini will generate the scene-by-scene story. Now, to turn this scene into detailed VO 3 prompts, I will enter another prompt guide. After entering the prompt, hit the enter button, and you will get the scene-by-scene detailed prompt. Okay, all of our prompts are ready. Now copy the first scene prompt, and then paste it into the flow prompt box. After that, set all other settings, and then generate the video. As it will take some time, I will generate all other video clips. The process is the same. Select the ingredient images and enter the prompt, and then generate the video. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. After previewing them, I can say that VO 3.1 did a great job. It keeps the same character in every scene, and the quality of the video is excellent. I love them. However, as it's 720p resolution, the quality is not very good. Don't worry, we can enhance the video and turn it into a 4K video with enhanced quality using Uniconverter 17. Go to the Video tab, and then select the Video Enhancement option. After coming here, upload all the video clips. Now we have to select the AI model. You will find a bunch of options. You can select Quality Restoration, Face Enhancement, Video Denoise, and more. However, the most interesting feature is the Topaz Generative Enhancement. It enhances the details along with upscaling the video. You can turn your low-resolution video into a 4K video without destroying the video. After selecting the model, hit the Export All button. After waiting for some time, I got these videos. Now look at the video quality. This really feels like a 4K video, not some forced upscaled video. However, I still have some issues with the video, like an unwanted object. So, I need to remove this. To do that, I will use this tool. After coming here, we have to upload the video clips. Once the video clips are uploaded, we have to select the area. You can select multiple areas. After the first video, go to the second video clip and select the area. If all the video clips have the same unwanted object in the same place, then click on the Apply All button and then export all of them. And here it is. All of the video clips are ready, and you can see that the object is no longer in my videos. This is amazing. Now if you think the color grading is not great in your video, then come to the Video Enhancer tool again. Now we have to select the color enhancement model from here. Once I click on the preview button, you can see the result. It automatically improves image color and visual appearance. There are so many other features available in Uniconverter 17. It's really a big helping hand for content creators. I like it. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now we have to assemble them with a video editor. You can use the Merge tool of Uniconverter 17. After coming to this page, you just have to upload all the video clips in ascending order and then click on the Merge All button, and you will get the final video. And here is my final video.
No.
You look so handsome.
We did it! I can't believe it.
So that's my complete workflow for creating 4K cinematic videos from old photos using Wondershare Uniconverter 17. And if you want to try Uniconverter 17 for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. They offer a free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.